Now, in this video, we are going to take up a problem on Pentagonal Lamina, how to solve this problem by using the solid software or CAD software. The problem reads as a pentagonal lamina of edges 25 mm is resting on HP with one of its sides such that the surface makes an angle of 60 degree with HP. The edge on which it rests is inclined at 45 degrees to VP. Draw its projections. So to do that, first I will go for the solid screen. So this is the home screen of the solid wherein you have the sheet which has been set for A2 size. But what I want is A4. So first I need to change the sheet to A4. To do that, go to the lower left corner, right click on sheet 1. So you're going to get sheet setup. You click on sheet setup. So here by default you have A2. So you click on this, you make it A4. I don't want to show the background. You disable it and say OK. Now the sheet is shrink to A4. But the display is already set for A2. So I need to fit that display to A4. Just click on fit. Now you have the sheet which is ready for writing the drawing. Before that I need to write the question. To do that, a pentagonal lamina of edges. So here I will go for text. So by default you will always have solid edge ISO. So you will come down to Times New Roman and the font size what you want is 4. Type 4 and enter. Then you take the position of the text where you want to start. So a pentagonal lamina of edges. So here a pentagonal lamina of edges 25 mm is resting on HP with one of its edges with one of its sides such that the surface makes an angle of 60 degrees. Alt, by holding the Alt key, type 0176, release the Alt key to get the degree symbol. 60 degree with HP. The edge on which it rests. The edge on which it rests is inclined at 45 degree. By holding the shift key, type 0176, release the Alt key to get degree symbol. 45 degrees to VP. Draw its projections. Then right click. Now you go to move command, go to sketching, click on move, disable copy, you select this and click it here and bring it to this part. Now go to zoom window. Now first I need to write a pentagonal lamina. So here always we start this problem from the top view. So first I need to write the initial position of the pentagon. So the pentagon I want to write such that the edge is perpendicular to VP, but it should be 90 degrees. But we don't have a polygon command. We don't require the polygon command to write. But what we do is we write the pentagon in the horizontal position first. So to do that, go to line command. So here take the line width as 0.05. Okay, then take any point, then give the distance which is 25, angle is 0, so you got a horizontal line. Then the extruded angle of the pentagon is 72 degrees, so that is 360 by n. 360 divided by n number of sides is 5, so each one will going to have 72 degree. So again the side will be 25 and measures in counterclockwise direction. So 75, 72. So you got second side. Then again 25. 72 plus 72 is 144. I will take 144 is the angle. Again 72. Sorry. Again 25. Then 72 plus 144, which will go to be the value. Then again 25, then 288 because 72, 144 plus 72 is 216, 216 plus 72 is 288. So I will type 288. So you got the pentagon in the horizontal position. Now what I want? So I want this to be placed on the vertical position now. So how to do that? So first, if you select this line, it will go to select only that particular line. Or if you want to select this, you will go to select this. But this line will be not being selected. So one way of taking this, take all the, by holding the shift key, you select all these points. This is one method. But the other method is, what I will do, I will go for a group command. Go to group, select this entire thing by holding the first button of the mouse. Make sure that the entire pentagon is placed within that window. By dragging by holding the first button of the mouse, you drag the mouse. This is the first corner and this will go to be the second position is the cursor. What you have the position is the opposite corner. Make sure all the entire pentagon is placed within that square bracket, square box. Then release the first button of the mouse. So all the 5 entities will go to be selected and then you press enter or you right click. Okay. Now if you select this, see what happens. The moment when you select one, it will go to select all the 5 entities. What I want to make this as a 0.5. So you click on 0.5. Now we have the pentagon written with dark lines, which is of 0.5 mm. Now what I want to keep this pentagon in the vertical position. How to do that? So now you go to rotate, remove copy, select this, then click for the center of rotation. This horizontal line, I want this IND of this and this IND of this. This horizontal position has to become vertical. So you keep vertical now. So once you get this, so this is the initial position of the object. Now this is one method, or you can keep it on the other side also. That also can be done. Now here you have the intersection and here you have the center. Then the horizontal or vertical, it's more than sufficient for us to construct the drawing. So now I go for fit. Now you go for move command, select this and bring the position of the pentagon where you want. And you can place it wherever you want in the drawing sheet. And this should go within this A4. Then go to line command, draw one horizontal line of any length. Okay. Now I want to name them first. So here you take this, go to text and take to the 3. Then you mark these points now. Put the caps lock off, type A, B, then C, then D, then E. Okay. Now go to move, disable copy, take A near to this, then B near to this, then C, then D, then E now. Okay. Then go to fit. Now you come down to this, go to line, take the intersection point of these two and draw a vertical line. Similarly from here, intersection point of this to the XY line, then from here to the intersection of these two to the XY line. Then go to trim this line and this line. Then trim this side and this side. Now we have the front view on this. Now I will go for select this line, make it 0.5. Okay. Then go to fit. Then go to this point. Now I need to name them now. So how to name them? Go to text. The font size is 3. So here A dash is near to the observer, so it is visible. Then B dash is near to the observer, it is visible. Then C dash is near to the observer, it is visible. Then D dash is away from the observer, so it becomes invisible. Then E dash is away from the observer, it is invisible. Okay. Then go to zoom window, bring it near to the screen and go to move. Select this outside. See now, this is A dash, then this is B dash, and of course D dash, then E dash, then here it is C dash. Now you go to select, so now you go to split this line till here. Okay. So this is how you can split the line. So what happens? You can select this line is different from this line. Okay. Then go to line. From this side intersection, you take this line here. So here you go to move, copy, remove copy, select this entire drawing and move it wherever you want. Okay. Then go to zoom window and here you go to text, you type capital letter X and here vertical plane, then here the horizontal plane. Then go to move, select this and keep it here, VP and then HP. Okay. Now, once you do that, now I need to go to group now, or you just by you go to group, this line and this line you make it as a group. Then go to line, take end point. Okay, fine. Now you go to move, select this entire line, click the point to rotate from, so you take this point. So now it is moving in both X and Y. I don't want to move in Y direction, so take the tab and move to Y cursor, Y coordinate, make it 0. So here you put the copy on, so place it wherever you want, then click on the first button of the mouse. Now what next? I need to rotate this by an angle of 60 degrees, correct? 60 degree with HP. Now it is 0 degree with HP. So you enable endpoint. So then go to rotate, okay? Select this entire thing, take the endpoint of this, click for the point to rotate from. Rotate from this line, what should be the angle? 60 degrees with respect to VP, HP. So click here. Then you have a line, take the endpoint of this and draw a horizontal line of any line. Now I will take endpoint of this and draw a vertical line. Similarly, you take from endpoint of this and draw a horizontal line. And similarly, okay. Now we want to transfer these points first. So what we will do, I will take copy, select this and copy it here. Similarly, E dash, you copy it here. Now when you select this, here somewhere you are going to get this. Suppose if I say line end, okay. So this is the point what we are talking about. Okay. Now you come down to move, take B dash and place it here. Then you take D dash and place it here. Okay. Then similarly C dash and take it here. So we have all the 3 points which has been copied to the second position front view. Now to this I need to write the top view. Draw a vertical projector from A dash and E dash and draw a horizontal projector which is from A, then from E. Now to this you go for trim corner between these two, similarly between these two. Then go to line command, draw a line from end point of this and draw a vertical line. Similarly from D, draw a horizontal line. Similarly from B also you draw a horizontal line. Then go to trim corner between this line and also from these two. Now once you get this, so now you can observe this D is overlapping here. Go to move, disable copy, select this and place it here. Okay. Now I need to go for the third point, which is that go to line, take the vertical projection of C dash to the top view and draw a horizontal projector from C. And both these two lines is intersecting at these 2 points, that is this point and this point. Okay. Now you come down to this. Now I'll go for line command. Draw a line from end point of this to 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 end point of this. Now I need to split. Where exactly I want to split? Split this line till here. Then you split this line till here. Then you split this line till here. Now I want to copy. Move, enable copy. Take A and bring it here. Okay. Then B, bring it here. Then C, bring it here. Then D, bring it here. Then E, bring it here. Now we have all the three sides. Select this line by holding the shift key. You select all these exterior edges of the pentagon. So make that as 0.5. Then this line and this line should be of same thickness. Now I want to create a block group. Select this line, this line, this line, this and this. Group between these two lines also. Then try and click. One should do that. So now we have the second position top view is written. Now you go to move, enable copy, select this, copy to this entire thing to the next side. Okay. Now once you do that, so here still this side which is resting on HP is inclined at 45 degrees to VP. So in this case what is happening? In this case the side is still perpendicular to VP. Now I want to rotate this. Go to rotate, disable copy, select this. You rotate this vertical line by an angle of 45 degrees. Okay, then click. Then go to move, disable copy, select this and place it wherever you want. Okay, so this angle will be 45 degrees. So since it is the true length here and the inclination given is also true inclination, therefore from the projections of line on the true inclination line we will always get the true line. Therefore you are rewriting the same sketch by rotating at an angle of 45 degrees to VP. So once you do that, now I need to copy. What are all the copy? I need to copy the text now. So go to text, move, enable copy, take A. Since it is rotated in clockwise direction, so A will come here, then B will go there. Okay. Similarly, then C will come here. Okay. Then D will come here. Then E will come here. Okay. Then fit. Then go to zoom window. Now A dash, E dash is on XY line. Therefore, draw a horizontal projector from intersection point of these two to XY line. Similarly, the intersection point of these two, you will get the XY line. And go to trim between these two. Now, similarly, you draw a horizontal projector from P dash and D dash. Okay. Similarly, you draw a vertical projector from D and also from B. Then go to trim corner between this line and between these two lines. Then go to line, draw a horizontal projector from C dash and then draw a vertical projector from C. Then go to trim corner between these two. So now we have all the points. Go to zoom window. Now you go to split. Split this line till here and then split this line till here. Now you go to line. Take the line command. Draw a line from intersection to this intersection. Then to this intersection. Then to this intersection and then to this intersection. Now by holding the shift key, select this line, this line, this line this line and this line, and make that line as 0.5. Okay, then go to split this line till here, then delete this. Okay, now what next? I need to name them. How to name them? Go to text, here you type A dash, sorry, you remove the caps lock, here you type A dash, then you come down to this which is B dash, you come down to this is C dash, then you come down to this is D dash, then you come down to this, it is E dash. Okay, here you write capital Y. Okay, then remove caps lock, then go to zoom window, then go to move, disable copy. Okay, you take A dash, okay, then B dash, then C dash, then D dash, then E dash. Okay, so this is how you will be able to write the drawing by using the SolidWorks software. But then go to sketch, take this XY line, and what should be the thickness of this 0.1 by default 0.05. Now I need to do the dimensioning. To do that, go to dimensioning style, click on ISO, click on modify, click on general, make this everything black color because your printout will be in black and white, and go to text and take the SolidWorks which is Times New Roman, and then the font size is 3, and go to lines and coordinates and make the dimension line width is 0.1, that is the thickness what you are talking about. So OK and apply. Now we go for distance between this and this, which will going to be 25. Then you go to angle between this line and this line, you are going to get 60 degrees. Then between these two, you are going to get 45 degrees. So this is how you will be able to solve the drawing by using the SolidWorks software. But how do I know that my problem is right? Even in the final position, you can see that the edge is resting on XY line, that is on HP. The edge which is resting on HP, that is EE, is inclined to VP at 45 degrees. And since the edge which is resting on HP, A dash, wherein the surface makes an angle of 60 degrees with HP, and since it is a pentagon of 25 mm sides, so since we have considered all the data which was given in the problem in writing the solution, hence my problem is right. So this is how you will be able to use a SolidWorks drawing, SolidWorks command to create a drawing without looking into the sketch or the solution. So this is very, very important. You keep on practicing like this. Without looking into the solution, you should be able to create the drawing by using the SolidWorks software. So that is the advantage when you are using on the CAD software, wherein you will going to get the accuracy up to the second decimal point. Thank you.